Okay. First of all, happy St. Patrick's Day. As a big old Irish guy, it's a great day. Gonna, do the corned beef thing and have a good night here. Really quick. This is going to be a quick one. I just want to throw something up here live while it was on top of my mind. Already this week has been wild. We've seen prices going up and going down and going all over the place as far as the market's concerned. One day it's fear. The next day it's great. Then it's fear again. We don't know where it's going to happen. Listen, hedge your bets, please. We see early in this week that India is going to ban Bitcoin, we believe. This means you can't hold it, mine it, trade it, do anything with it. Who knows if it's going to stick? It causes reactions in the market. Be prepared for the reactions. Understand how to protect yourself, what you can do in these kinds of situations. Now, the reality is, will they ultimately ban it? I don't know. Lots of countries have talked about it. Sometimes they want to release their own type of digital coin. Sometimes they don't. In the case of India, hey, they do it, they do it. They don't. But understand how it affects you and what you can do about it. Separately, Jay Powell spoke with the Fed today. Leading into it, the markets were way down today. And I think this speaks to this thing that we're constantly talking about is make sure you are hedging and understand the risks in the market when you have holdings, specifically if you're leveraging margin or if you're leveraging advanced products like options or even, beyond that, things like futures as well. So super quick live one today, and I just want to call it out. Make sure you understand what can happen when the markets turn against you, because they can turn very fast and can take a long time for it to go back in the right direction. When you're holding things and you're not sure what's going to come out of the Fed or what's going to come from a macroeconomic perspective, set things like limits. Know when to take your profits. Ensure you are leveraging options the right way potential. Julian, thanks, man. Appreciate it. It doesn't have to be complex. I feel like lately, especially with the days of stonks and memes and everything else, one thing we don't think about is, those same call options you're using to make huge gains in the market, you can sell puts to protect your downside as well, or leverage puts to protect the downside if you have large holdings. So that's it. This is a super quick one today. I just saw the news come across the desk. The markets were way up earlier. Anything can happen. Any country can ban Bitcoin. Any Fed conversation can raise rates or talk about the economy being bad or good. If you're not prepared for downside, you're only putting yourself at risk, and someone on the other end of that trade is going to be the winner. Make sure it's you winning the trades. Make sure you identify the risks in your holdings. Make sure you accurately have a plan to do something about it if it goes against you. This doesn't mean don't let your profits run. Let your profits run. Just understand that it's okay to set a minimum that you're willing to risk. If you crash through it and you end up selling before you lose all your money, great. Buy in again if you still feel like it's going to go back to the direction you were taking it. So anyways, again, have a great St. Patrick's Day in the U.S. today. Hope everything is well with everybody. And short of that, I'm going to have a good St. Patrick's night myself. So talk again. Thanks.